Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the concept company meetings and resolutions and also types of company meetings. So now let us start with the meaning of meeting. During the life of the company, it has to hold a many kind of meetings when important decisions need to be made. If you are a director or a shareholder of your company, you are still required to hold the meetings. A company meeting may be defined as gathering, assembling or coming together of two or more persons by previous notice or by mutual agreement on a fixed date and at a fixed time and a place for a discussion and transaction of some lawful businesses. So there are two types of meetings held by the limited companies, and they are board meetings of directors and general meeting of shareholders. And if we think of limited liability partnership, there is no provision to hold any official type of meetings. So next is type of company meetings. There are mainly four types of meetings, and they are meeting of shareholders, meeting of directors, meeting of debenture holders, and meeting of creditors. And now we will discuss the types of company meetings one by one. So in that first one, meeting of shareholders. As the name says, this is the first meeting of the shareholders of the company, and this meeting of shareholders can be further classified into four kinds. In that first one, statutory meeting. We can say that this is the first meeting conducted in the every company. This statutory meeting conducted after the commencement of the public company. The Companies Act provides that every public company limited by shares and limited by guarantee and having a share capital should hold this meeting of the shareholders within the 6 months but not earlier than the 1 month from the date of commencement. And this meeting is held only once in the whole life of the company. And second one is annual general meeting. As we all know, this is the most important meeting conducted in the every company. This meeting is usually held only once in a year, and this meeting should be conducted by both the private and public limited companies having or not having a share capital. And the purpose of conducting this meeting is to transact the ordinary business of the company and also progresses and prospects of the company. And third one is extraordinary general meeting. Statutory meetings and annual general meetings are the ordinary meetings of the company. But as name suggests, these meetings are conducted to deal with all the special and extraordinary matters which falls outside the usual business of annual general meeting. These meetings are generally called to discuss some urgent or special business matters. And the fourth one is class meetings. Class meetings are those meetings which are held by the shareholders of a particular class of shares, for example, preference shareholders and debenture holders. Class meetings are generally conducted when it is proposed to alter, vary, or affect the rights of the particular class of shareholders. Thus, for effecting such changes, it is necessary that a separate meeting of holders of those shares is to be held and matters is to be approved at the meeting by the special resolution. For example, for cancelling of arrears of dividends on cumulative preference shares, it is necessary to call for the meetings of such shareholders and pass a resolution as required by the Companies Act. In case of such a class meeting, the holders of other class of shares have no right to attend and vote. In the main classification of meetings of the company, second one is meeting of directors. The meeting of directors are called board meetings. These are the most important as well as most frequently held meetings of the company. It is only at this meeting that all important matters relating to the company and its policies are discussed and decided upon. Since the administration of the company lies in the hands of the board, it should meet frequently for the proper conduct of business of the company. The Companies Act therefore gives the right to directors to frame rules and regulations regarding the holding and conducting of board meetings. And the fourth one is meeting of debenture holder. The debenture holders of particular class conduct this meeting. They are generally conducted when the company wants to vary the terms of security or to modify the rights or to vary the rate of interest payable, etc. Rules and regulations regarding the holding of meetings of the debenture holders are either entered in the trust deed or endorsed on the debenture bond so that they are binding upon the holders of the debentures and upon the company. And the fourth one is meeting of creditors. Strictly speaking, these are not a meetings of the company. They are held when the company proposes to make a scheme of arrangements with its creditors. The company, like individuals, may sometimes find it necessary to compromise or make some arrangements with their creditors. In these circumstances, a meeting of creditors is necessary, and it is also help to save the company from the financial difficulties. So the next part is resolution of the company. So what is exactly the resolutions of the company? These are nothing but decisions made by the company members. A resolution is legal agreement or decision made by the company members or directors. The outcome of the resolution is determined by the votes for or against the decision. If the required majority is reached, the resolution is passed, otherwise proposed resolution fails. There are mainly two types of resolutions. First one is ordinary resolution and second one is special resolution. Ordinary resolution is passed when simple majority is reached, that is above 50%. These types of resolutions can be used for all the decisions unless the Companies Act or Articles of Association specifies the need for special resolution. And second one is special resolution. Special resolution is passed when only 75% majority vote is reached. And both the types of resolution can be passed at general meetings or in writing. Thank you for watching the video.